I'm Matt from Wander. We're a short-term vacation rental company with homes spanning throughout the entire country. We contacted RC Window Film because our house just got way too hot way too quick. Having 12-foot windows that are facing south, meaning during the day they're constantly getting sunlight, that our own HVAC unit wasn't able to keep up with cooling the house down to a comfortable temperature.
Guys, Max here with RC Window Films. Today we're at a Wander house, and Wander is a owned and managed property. Now, what we're doing at this property is we're installing a solar control film. This film rejects about 82% of the heat that comes into the home. Very high-end film. It blocks out 99.9% of the UV, and it keeps all the very nice furnishings and amenities here for you. Doesn't fade, protects the furniture.
Installation process was super quick. Actually from the moment I contacted Max at RC Window Film to the point of installation, I think it was like a week and a half process to begin with. Actual installation was done within a day, which was incredibly fast, and we felt the difference that very next day inside the house.
We install this product on the exterior of the home, and that way it's the first layer of protection, and it's going to cut down a massive amount of heat and protect all the furnishings.
We're super stoked with the outcome. Could not be happier. Actually, the first night after RC Window Films left was like the coldest night we've ever experienced in the house. The temperature outside did not change, but us essentially staying in this house, we noticed a lot less sunlight coming in. Huge difference. Extremely happy with the outcome. Could not recommend RC Window Films anymore. Like, it's by far my favorite.